These are the elevators here at the Landow building in Bethesda, Maryland. We got some Otises. Thank you. It's like they used to be Haughton, but were modded. 14. It's an MRQ, it looks like, not 401 or 411. Thirteenth floor. Here we are on 14. Yep, these definitely used to be Haughton. Oh, so sorry. Alright, let's go to G5. These are decent. Wish they were true Elevonics, but these are still pretty cool. .988 phone. Older Otis Series 1 fixtures. And here we are in G5. A little bit of a power stop. Series 2 call buttons on the outside. Right, let's go up to 14. Can't really get both indicators on the frame because the cab is pretty small. Guessing this is probably an early 90s mod, if I had to guess. Here we are on 14. Alright, I'm going to transfer to a different car up here. Is this the service? Maybe it is, but there's no individual call button for it. Hello. And I'm gonna get off on the lobby. Excuse me. Stopping on 8. Going down, lobby. I just like elevators.
Okay.
We're on L. All right, you have a wonderful day, sir. Well, there it goes. Will be yeah, you need a key for this one, it looks like. Well, there it goes. That'll be it.